Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. So we have started the exercise 11.2 and I have done up to question number 5, and this question number 5 was given as homework. Now let us see question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and altitude is 4.8 centimeter. So altitude means the height. Okay, height of the rhombus is given and side of the rhombus is given. If one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, one of the diagonal is given, you have to find the length of other diagonal. So first of all, you have to find the area of the rhombus, then you have to find the length of the other diagonal. So let us do it. So here you can see the solution. This is the figure of this question. So this is a rhombus. So side is 5 centimeter. The height is 4.8 centimeter. One of the diagonal is given 8 centimeter and other diagonal you have assumed D2. You have to find out. So let the length of other diagonal be D2. Okay. Now the next thing is what? A rhombus is a special type of a parallelogram. You know this because you have read in chapter number 3. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Now we will assume this rhombus as a parallelogram because we have to find out the area of the rhombus. So here why we assume the rhombus as a parallelogram, because here height is given. Okay, so we will make the use of height here. So we know the parallelogram formula is base into height. So here base and height is given. So we will assume the rhombus as a parallelogram. So this area of rhombus and parallelogram will be equal. So area of rhombus in bracket parallelogram is what? Base into height. Actually rhombus area is half into d1 into d2. But here we are assuming this rhombus as parallelogram. So we will use the formula of parallelogram, base into height. So base is given 5. So here this is the base 5 centimeter and height is 4.8. So 5 into 4.8 is 24 centimeter square. So this is the area of the rhombus. Now next thing, also the area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. Okay, so this is the main formula of rhombus. Now what we will do, you will put the area of the rhombus what you got here 24 and half into d1. D1 is the diagonal given 8 and d2 we have to find out. So from this equation we will find out. So this 24 and 2 will go this side. Now 24 into 2, this 8 will come down. So 2 4 is 8. So 24 by 4, it is the diagonal is 6 centimeter. So hence the length of other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. Very good question, right? Next, question number 7. A floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles. Okay, there is a floor. So on the floor there are 3000 tiles are required. So which are rhombus shaped. So these tiles are in the shape of rhombus and each of its diagonal are given 45 and 30 centimeter. Diagonal of the rhombus is given. So find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 rupees. Okay, this is a very easy question. So what you have to do? You have to find the area of the area of the tiles. So tiles is in rhombus form. So you will apply the formula of rhombus, half into d1 into d2. So first of all find the area of tiles and then you have to multiply with 3000 because there are 3000 tiles are there. So you will get the area of 3000 tiles. Okay. So first of all find the area of rhombus, that is the tiles, and then multiply with 3000. Then after that you have to find out the total cost. So cost of 1 meter square is 4 rupees. So whatever answer comes, then you have to multiply by 4. Then you will get the total cost of polishing the floor. Okay, very easy. So this 7 number is your homework. Now let's see question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. So this is a trapezium shaped field. This is a road and this is a river. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So this two sides are bounded by one road and one river. So this river side and road side is what condition given? The side along the river and the road are parallel to each other. You can see in a trapezium opposite sides are parallel to each other. So what is the condition here? The side along the river is parallel to and twice the side of along the road. That means this side is twice of this side. Okay, river side is 2 times of road side. This thing have you understood? If the area of the field is given, okay, the area of this field is given 10500 and the perpendicular distance, that means the height is given 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. That means you have to find the side along the river. That means this side you have to find out. Okay, this side. Understood? So first of all, you have to assume the one side. Okay, let us see. So here you can see, let the length of the field along the road be L. So you have to assume the length of the side which is along the road is L. Okay, side along the road is L. Then what happens, the length of the field along the river is 2L now, because the condition is given the side along the river is twice of the road length. Okay, so road length you have assumed L, the river length will be 2L. Okay, so area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So you have to use this formula. So area is already given 10500, half into sum of parallel sides. So these two sides are parallel to each other, road side and the river side. So road side you have assumed L, river side is 2 times of L into 100, because height is 100 given. So now this 2 and 100 cut, so it is 50. Now this 50 comes down, 0 0 cancel. Now this 105 by 5 is 210. So L plus 2L is 3L. Now this 3 goes down, so it becomes L equal to 70 meter. So we got the length of the road side is 70 meter. But now you have to find out the length of the river side. So what is the length of the river side? Is 2L. Okay. So length of the field along the river is 2L. That means 2 into 70. It is 140 meter. Okay. So this is the solution of the question. It is also a good question. Understood? Now let us see question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. So this is a octagon, that means 8 sides are there. As shown in the figure, find the area of the octagonal surface. You have to find the whole area of this octagon. Okay, so you have to break this figure into parts. How can you break it? Let's see. So now this is question number 9. So you can see this is the figure of this octagon. So this is octagon. Here side is 5 meter. That means all sides are same. All sides are 5 meter. Here you have to break this figure in the form of trapezium. So this part is the trapezium A, B, C, H. This is a trapezium. Then again this part is also a trapezium F, E, G, D. This is also a trapezium. And here the middle part is a rectangle H, C, D, G. This is a rectangular figure. So in 3 parts you have to break this octagon. Then you have to find the total area. You have to add all the areas. Now side of the regular octagon is 5 meter. So here side is same. All sides are equal, 5 meter. Now height is given 4 meter. You can see this is a trapezium and you require the height. So height is given 4 meter. A equal to 5 and B equal to 11. That means these are the parallel sides. Okay, so this is A, that means 5, and this is B, it is 11. Okay, this is B, 11. So you know A, you know B, and you know the height. Then you can easily find the area of the trapezium. So area of trapezium ABCH, that means ABCH. Area of trapezium ABCH is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into 5 plus 11 into 4. So it is coming 32 meter square. So area of this area of this trapezium is 32 meter square. Okay. So this trapezium is also equal to this trapezium. Okay. So this trapezium area is also 32 meter square. So you have to write like this. In the next page I have written, see, area of trapezium DEFG. DEFG means that is the lower side trapezium, this one. Okay, DEFG. This area is also same, area of trapezium ABCH. So it is also 32 meter square. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of the rectangle HGDC. So this is the rectangle HGDC. You have to find out the area. So length into breadth. So length is given 11 and breadth is given 5. 11 into 5. So area of this parallelogram rectangle is HGDC. 11 into 5, it is 55 meter square. Now what you have to do? You have to find the area of whole octagon. So octagon you have to add all the areas you have got. Like area of trapezium ABCH plus area of trapezium DEFG plus area of rectangle HGDC. You have to add all the areas. So it is 32 again plus 32 plus 55. It is coming 119 meters square. Understood? So it is a very easy question. Okay. Now next question number 9. So what is given? There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. So this is a figure. This is a pentagon. So pentagon has 5 sides. So this is a pentagonal shaped figure park. So for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. So Jyoti and Kavita has divided this park into two ways and they want to find the area. Find the area of this park using both the ways. That means you have to find the area by Jyoti's method and Kavita's method. Okay. So can you suggest some other way? So this is not the main part. Main part is this one. You have to find the area of this pentagonal park by Jyoti's method and by Kavita's method. So Jyoti's diagram is this one. Okay. So Jyoti has divided this pentagonal park into two parts. So which part? Which figure it is? It is one trapezium. It is another trapezium. So she has divided this into two trapezium. And Kavita has divided this park into two figure, that is this is one triangle and this is square. Okay. So let us see whether both the answers are same or not. Both the methods are same or not. So see Jyoti's way of finding area. So here it is divided into two trapezium. So I have named it A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And this is the F, AF. Okay. This is the middle part. So these two parts are equal to each other. That means two areas are equal to each other. If you find the area of one trapezium, then another trapezium is also same. So directly I can write area of pentagon equal to 2 into area of trapezium ABCH. ABCF. Okay. So if I find the area of this trapezium, it is same. That's why you can multiply by 2. So 2 into half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into what are the parallel sides? This is 15 and this side is 30 because total length is given 30. So 15 plus 30 and into height. Height is what? 15 by 2. How it is 15 by 2? Because this is the height. Okay, this is the height. So this is the total length 15. Okay, and they are the same parts. So you can divide it by 2. 15 by 2 because these two parts are equal to each other. That's why it is divided by 2. 15 by 2. This total length is 15 and half part is 15 by 2. So the height is 15 by 2. So after doing the calculation, the area is coming 337.5 meters square. So this is the shortest way what Jyoti has found. Okay. Now see the Kavita's way of finding the area. So Kavita's way is what? She has divided into two parts. One is triangle, another is square. So triangle, this is the base of the triangle and this is the height of the triangle 15. Okay. And this is the square side 15 and 15. Now height of the triangle, how you got? ABE 30 minus 15. How you got this? 15 because whole length is 30. 30 and this length is 15. So 30 minus 15 is 15. So height you got 15 meter. Side of this square BCDE is 15 meter. Now you can find the area. You have to find the area of triangle and add with area of square. So in the next page it is given. So area of pentagon equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of square BCDE. So area of triangle is half into base into height and area of square is side into side. So half into base is 15, height is 15 and side is 15. So 15 into 15. So it is 225 by 2. It is 225. So after dividing it is coming 112.5 and it is 225. So the answer is 337.5. So Kavita's answer is also same. That means both the methods are correct. Okay, both the way of doing the area is correct. Both the answers are correct. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, so I hope you have understood this question nicely. Now last question number 11. Diagram of a adjacent frame, picture frame has outer dimension 24 into 28. So you can see here picture frame is there, outer dimension is given. That means it is a rectangular shape. 24 is the breadth, length is 28 and inner dimension is 16 into 20. That means it is also a rectangle, length is 20, breadth is 16. You have to find the area of each section. If the area of each section is same, that means you have to find the area of these sections. Okay, this and this 4 sections are there. So this is one trapezium, this is trapezium, this is trapezium, this is trapezium. All the 4 sections are trapezium. You have to find the area of all trapezium. That's it. Okay. So one hint is there. This trapezium and this trapezium area is equal. If you find this trapezium area, it is equal to this. If you find this trapezium area, it is equal to this. So opposite trapezium's areas are equal. Okay. So it is easy to find. So this is your homework question. Understood? So I have given 2 questions as homework, question number 7 and question number 11. So I hope you can do it nicely. So in this way, I have completed the exercise 11.2. Please do practice all the questions. Thank you.